Okay, this is week 4, this is the end of week 3. So, we actually got quite a bit of work done. Software, we recently got a camera from First Choice. Software's been experimenting with that. They've been working on vision tracking. It's gotten to the point where they can use the camera to detect hot goals during autonomous, which is really good. We could be able to use that. Catapult, we've been having a bit of trouble with that. There have been some kind of concerns as to whether we want a forward shooter or a rear shooter. If we have a forward shooter, we can get more what was it? Okay, so forward shooter doesn't let you get a lot of, it doesn't let you, it has spacing issues with mounting the winch system and all of that, but a backward shooter has problems with arm length, and we ended up deciding on a forward shooter, more or less. I mean, we were pretty late on that. The attachment point is the same as the gatherers. That's another thing that we decided. So they've been making changes to the CAD model a bunch, figured out arm construction, started latch design, etc., etc. They've been drawing sketches for the catapult, so they can design the latch. I think they more or less have it built now, so that's been coming along. And they also mounted They've also mounted points for attaching surgical tubing, which is what we're going to use for tension. It's either that or springs. We'll just need to do some experimentation to figure out which one. Gather is doing better. They made the mounts, they made the rollers. They got the pulley system, we're actually not using pulleys. We're going to be using chain, hopefully smaller chain, but for now we have some pretty big chain on there. So the chain system has been attached now. And so it essentially works. We put it onto the drivetrain. It is able to gather a ball now and put it into the catapult, which is very good. Marketing and media, they've been working on making things like bracers and such. Excuse me. They've also started on pit design, which is good. So there's been a group working on bumpers. They're actually beating the actual robot in terms of construction. They have everything cut out, everything sewn. They have these really cool bumpers where you can it doesn't require Velcro in order to flip between red or blue in terms of coloring. The rough draft was finished, so that was proofread. And the second rough draft came out, and that was proofread again, just like yesterday. So, it's on to the third, and we'll just keep doing this until we more or less have flawless paper. Thank goodness. Super tester, that's been coming along nicely. More super testers have been made. So, it's really just troubleshooting that needs to get done. Because the super testers are more or less made individually, each individual one has its own unique, more or less, errors. So those are getting worked out. All the errors are similar, but different in a different fashion, I guess. That's really what's been going on. Our robot weighs 85 pounds now, which is pretty good. But that's without the catapult, so we don't know. It's going to be maybe close, but I hope it won't be. So we've also on the gather, we've been trying to figure out where to mount pistons, because pistons are going to be used to actually move the gather in and out of the robot, while there's going to be a motor that actually spins the roller inside the gather. The pistons, I think, are still being ordered, or they've been ordered, but they're on their way here. And we've been spending like 2 days trying to figure out the mounting locations because we've been using math instead of experimentation, which is good. Or I wouldn't say it's good, but it's better than nothing, I guess. So that's about it. It's a beautiful day. That's actually, you can't even see that. Wait, actually, maybe you can. That's a lamp. Okay, never mind. So it's a really nice day outside. It's actually sunny for once. There's a meeting in about 35 minutes, so I should probably get ready. Oops, I should probably get ready for that. I hope you've had a nice week. We're hanging in there. I'll pull through this, and that's all I really have to say. So yeah.